Hi, I just wanna let everybody know that this microwave I cannot open it. You notice when I push the unlock button, it's turning the lights and it start working. But all we have to do, because in this case I'm trying this, and what it does is lock, and that's it. And I've been pushing everything, but it's not unlocking nothing. So you see, nothing is happening. Even if I pushing this one, I am trying to open it, but it's hard. So what I did is unplug it. Now I have no power, and by the bottom side I use this. Try to be safe. But I mean this. Let's see. Alright. So what I'm doing is having something sharp. This, and I need to hold it. Let me see if I can. Right there. So look, now it's open, and I just open it. What I did is just going underneath and push this one up, and both are moving up. These are moving up. So that's the way I did, and I open it like that. Now my concern is now it's hard to make it work again, but at least I open it right now. Okay, basically that's it. Thank you for watching, guys.